speaker here. I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning going, oh my gosh, what am I going to say about Terry? There's so many things to say. I've known him for 30-some years. He started a company and now he has Europharma, which has some of the most incredible products I've ever used. And a personal story on my part was I was diagnosed with stage 4 metastatic melanoma in 2014. And this man came to my rescue to help me. And I cured it. Okay? But that is how powerful this industry is, because they come to help us and support us, and that's what we're all about. So Terry is here. He's got phenomenal products that work. They're guaranteed. They're absolutely awesome. And he's just the best hugger in the whole wide world. So that's all I'm going to say, because he's got so much to say. We love him.
I love you too, Peggy. Well, welcome. Good evening.
Good evening.
That was a very beautiful introduction. I wrote that for her, just to make sure. You never know. So I'm here to help you understand more about what you might want to do about your health. And what is health? And what degree of health are you looking for? And what degree of health do you have now? And why do we have the conditions that we have? Why do we have high blood pressure? Why do we have type 2 diabetes? Why do we have GERD? Why do we have all these conditions that is plaguing America? In fact, I tell you a really good story about aging. We have 2 health food stores back in Green Bay. Well, I come from Green Bay, Wisconsin. Woo! And I can't really stand this weather. It's terrible. Right now in Green Bay it's 13. I love it. You'd think you'd have to love it being there all my life. But I'm enjoying this weather while I'm here, and I'll take some of it back with me. Everybody in the company says, bring some sunshine back with you and some warm weather. So I promised them I would, so I'll try to do that. But in our stores, we have 3 sisters that live together. And they shop in our store. Mildred is 96, Agnes is 94, and April is 92. Wonderful ladies, fantastic ladies. But you know, at that age, we all age more than we would like to. So I'll tell you a story about them. Mildred was up in the bathroom, drawing a bath of water. And she put one foot into the bathtub when it was filled, and she stopped, and she thought, am I getting in or am I getting out? She couldn't remember. So she called down to Agnes, and Agnes, come up here, I'm stuck. I don't know if I'm going in the bathtub or getting out. What am I doing? So Agnes started up the steps, and she got halfway up the steps and she stopped. Was I going up or was I going down? So both of them, in a panic, called down to April, the young one, 92, said, help us. We don't know what we're doing. So April shook her head, knocked on the wood rail of the steps, and said, I hope I never get like that. And they said, hurry up, coming up here. She said, as soon as I answer the door, whoever is knocking, I'll be up. So that is the aging process. We have that to look forward to. But the problem is, America is heading the other way. A lot of stress today. We have a very good product for that called echinacea. Now, I know you're going to say, what is echinacea for?
Stress.
Cold and flu. All right. Plants have a variety of compounds. All plants do. In echinacea, you have a group of compounds called polysaccharides. That means many types of sugars. The polysaccharides attach at the receptor sites in the immune system to help reduce cold and flu. But there's also a group of compounds in echinacea called alkaloids. They're very similar to cannabinoids or phytocannabinoids. And they attach the receptor sites in the brain and reduces anxiety, reduces stress, worry, tension. Very, very safe. You can take 1 or 2 tablets twice a day. They're about 20 milligrams a tablet. Very, very tiny, no bigger than the end of a match head. and you give them to children over the age of 4. You can give them to dogs. You can give them to anybody. I mean, they're really, really safe.
Better than Xanax.
Listen, I'll tell you something. Here's something you may not know.